Sometimes if you are in Microsoft Word and if you want to insert an equation box in this Word, you can use a shortcut method. That is in your computer keyboard. You can see this is the Alt key, and also you can see this one, the equals to key. This one, the equals to this key. So you must press these two keys at the same time. One of your fingers should be in this Alt key, and the other finger should be in this equal to. So you must press this Alt key and this equals to key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the equation box comes here, and after that here you can type the equation you want. Simply you must type the equation you want. You can type here, or if you want to insert the equation here, you can also try this method. That is, you must click the insert here, and after that here you can see at the side there you can see the equation, and if you choose an equation here, then you can see that this comes here directly. For more videos you can subscribe. Thank you.